If you're self-employed or a real estate investor, a non-traditional mortgage may be a great solution to purchase a home. This loan type allows you to qualify without needing a W-2 from a third-party employer. Let's start by taking a look at some of the benefits of non-traditional mortgages. Depending on how you qualify, you can purchase a home up to $1.5 or $2.5 million with down payments as low as 10%. In some cases, no employment or income verification is required, and several options for foreign nationals are available. There are 4 ways you can qualify: bank statements, an asset qualifier, investor cash flow, and using 1099s. Let's take a closer look at each. First up, bank statements. By providing 12 months of bank or business statements and a letter from a tax preparer, we can verify qualifying income. Your second way to qualify uses your assets. If you have more assets than income, you may be able to qualify by leveraging those assets. Third, if you're a real estate investor, you may be able to qualify by showing that your rental income covers the mortgage payment for the property. Last, we have 1099 only. If you are an independent contractor, salesperson, or freelancer, you may be able to use 2 years of 1099s to qualify. Are you ready to talk with a mortgage professional about a non-traditional mortgage? With branches across the country and 30 years of mortgage experience, Homebridge can help. Contact Homebridge today to learn how we can help you reach your goals.